guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I am going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. This is my fourth Birchbox unboxing as part of my 6-month Birchbox subscription that was gifted to me by YouTube. And I am so excited to be unboxing this one for you guys. Today I've really been enjoying these Birchbox unboxings and adding a new kind of video to my channel and just discovering a new subscription service. I'm so sad that my subscription is almost up though, but it's been so much fun and it's been a real gift and it was so unexpected and it's just been a lot of fun. So again, a huge thank you to YouTube as always for the 6-month subscription. I have a whole playlist of these videos on my channel. If you missed any of them or want to know about how YouTube sent me this gift and what all was involved in that and everything. But I also wanted to let you guys know that YouTube is not requiring me to make this video as part of the gift. They obviously know that I am a social media influencer and I'm going to talk about the things that I love on social media. YouTube is what I do, so they know that I'm going to do videos on this, but it's not a requirement of this gift. I just wanted to put that out there as well. I will also have an invite link down in the description below if you're interested in signing up for Birchbox along with me. And it's just been a lot of fun and I really enjoyed this subscription service. And yeah, I'll be sure to put the link down below because I think I get some points or something if you guys use the link. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into my, what month is it? January 2020 Birchbox box. And I have 2 more boxes after this one, so we gotta make them count, you guys. We gotta make them count. So here is what the Birchbox looks like for this month. I love the way that it opens. I honestly wish all the boxes were like this. It's like a little drawer. And honestly, if all the boxes opened up like this, I would probably save them all and use them as makeup storage. Like, I love this box. So I think I'm going to save this one just because, like I said, I love how it opens like a little drawer. And just more importantly, let's go ahead and see what's inside. When I open my box, this is what I see. So we have the card on top and it says, Birchbox tip number 23. It's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it. So change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin. As you guys know, if you've been a long time viewer, I used to have super dry skin. But then my skin type has kind of changed over the years and it's more combination, which is a real bummer. I feel like combination skin is a lot more difficult to manage rather than oily skin or dry skin, you know. So anyways, also this tissue paper is super fun. We have like the neon yellow, which is again super fun. Very small this month. You can literally see all the products here, but let's go ahead and dive into them anyways. But wow, from afar this looks very small. You can literally see everything. But that's okay. The first product in my Birchbox is by Malin and Goetz. I don't really know how to pronounce that brand. And it's the Revitalizing Eye Gel. So I've actually received a couple products from this brand in an Ipsy bag or 2. So I am familiar with this brand and I have tried a lip balm from them and I really like it. So this is what the eye gel looks like. Honestly, I don't use eye gels, so I'm probably going to pass this along to somebody just because I know I won't use this product. But if you like eye gels, this is a really nice brand, so I would definitely check it out if that's your thing. Also, if you travel a lot, Birchbox is definitely the box for you. It's all sample sizes, so it's perfect to travel since you can only have like certain fluid ounces of makeup and skincare and things like that. The next product in my box is by Amika, and this is the Super Nova Moisture and Shine Cream. My hair is looking a little bit dead because I need to get it done. I'm trying to save right now and don't feel like spending my money on getting my hair done, so perhaps this will give some life to my hair. At least I can hope. And I've also heard of Amika as well because of Ipsy, so I feel bad like I'm talking about both of them in the same video, but just letting you know I am familiar with most of these brands because of Ipsy. The next product that I received in my January Birchbox, I'm super excited. This is by Marcel and this is the Extension Plus Curl Mascara, and I've been I've been wanting to try a new mascara, so this came in handy and I'm really excited to try this. I received another product from Marcel in my last Birchbox, but it was an eyeliner, so I passed that along because you guys know I don't like wearing eyeliner. So I'm really excited to actually try a product from this brand because I've heard really, really great things, and you guys know I love my mascara, so excited to put this product to the test. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the wand is like really, really cool. So it's curved in like multiple directions, so I'm curious to see how this will apply, and I'll keep you guys updated in a future video. Also, if you're not subscribed to Birchbox but want to try one of these products I'm talking about individually, I'll have all the products linked individually down in the description below in case you're interested in purchasing any of them without being subscribed to Birchbox. And, or if you'd like to subscribe to Birchbox, I'll have my invite link down in the description as well. The next product I received in my January Birchbox is by Pretty Filter, and this is the Glassy Skin Balm Touch and Soul. So I am really not sure how to use this product, so I'll have to look more into this product and decide if this is something that I would like to use or if I'd like to pass it along to someone that could use it more than myself. So more to come on this as well. This is like probably the shortest Birchbox video ever, but I just feel like Birchbox videos in general are pretty short. I don't know, I just feel like they're very short, and I don't know why, but I think it's just because they're samples and there's only so much you can say. And I think also another reason why they're shorter is because it's makeup and skincare and hair care, whereas Ipsy is a little bit more makeup based, I feel like. So there's more to like swatch and try out, where like skincare you can't really decide right then and there if it's something you'll actually use, where makeup is, like I said, you swatch it and like actually get to try it out. So I think that's why Birchbox videos tend to be a little bit shorter, at least for me. The last product in my January 2020 Birchbox is by a brand I have never heard of, and this is called Aero Boost, and it's a color enhancing lip balm. Probably a clear balm, yeah. A peachy like. I don't want to put it on over my lipstick, but I want to swatch it somehow. Like, see if it works. I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to be able to try it right now because, like I said, I have my lipstick on, but that is a bummer. Here, I'm going to swatch it anyways on my hand just to see. So it makes my hand a little bit pink. That's cool. So it does change it's just a nice little natural tint. That's really pretty. I'll even do a little bit more so you guys can see. That's so pretty. I love that. That's gorgeous. And it's like not sticky at all. So, and I feel like lip balms tend to make my lips more dry, but this one seems really nice. So I feel like this is a product that I'll use like almost daily. So I'm impressed with this product. I feel like it's one of only 2 products that I actually enjoyed this month. So that is everything that I received in my January 2020 Birchbox. I have to be honest with you guys, like, I am pretty disappointed in this month's Birchbox, at least for me. It's probably my least favorite box, one of my least favorite boxes that I've received so far. I won't be using this eye gel, and I won't be using probably a skin balm. I may try this, the Moisture and Shine hair cream. That seems pretty nice. And then the mascara and the lip balm are really the only 2 products that I'm excited about. The other 3 I can honestly probably do without. I have to be honest with you guys, I have really enjoyed these unboxings, but gotta be honest, like, when it's not my favorite. So I at least wanted to show you guys what I received this month in my Birchbox and I just have to be honest with you guys, like, I just want to give you guys my first impressions of what I actually thought of these products. And even though it was one of my least favorite boxes, I still wanted to do this video and, you know, try the products out that I could and see what I've always thought of them. But I'll see you guys for my February Birchbox unboxing, but obviously I'll see you guys way before then. But be sure to check out Birchbox down below if you're interested in subscribing, and hopefully next month will be a better month for me for Birchbox. But overall, I still have really enjoyed this subscription, and I really enjoy it filming these videos for you guys. But with that, I guess that's all I have to say today, so I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!